Uganda's gold story is once again dominating headlines. Bank of Uganda is back into the market from way back in the 1990s before the market was liberalized. Dealers are excited at this prospect, but those we spoke to have reservations.
There are people who buy it at even higher than the market price. So it's preferred if it is bought in foreign currency, because gold itself is a currency. It's not just a product. Itself is a currency, and it can go up and go down for trading purposes. We also must say that it came out that miners and gold dealers proposed that Ministry of Finance needs to create a gold exchange authority. A gold exchange authority will help regulate traders, the trading methods, as well as licensed brokers, and control that pricing.
Global financial market analyst and managing director Alpha Capital Stephen Kaboyo says besides the need to beef its greenback reserves, the precious metal is an important element of the central bank because of its safety, liquidity and return aspect.
So really for BOU to reintroduce this at this time, I think it is a good thing. One is when you look at the diversification aspect. Bank of Uganda has been largely holding reserves in the US currency. So US dollar as a reserve currency. So all the reserves are US dollar based. Now, with what is going on in the world, financial upheaval, volatility in financial assets, geopolitical pressures of all kinds, you run a risk of depleting your reserves as one factor related to market instability all over the world. And no central bank has control over that. Now, the most interesting angle to understand gold as a diversifier for central bank reserves, you look at the fact that gold is relatively stable. It's sometimes termed as crisis commodity, because when everything fails, when all financial assets are under pressure, there's an inverse relationship. Gold actually increases in value.
There are also lingering questions on how much gold is actually mined, processed and refined in Uganda. Looking at the dramatic increase in export receipts in the last 2 years, Dr. Eli Twineo, the Chief Executive of the Export Promotions Board, defends the figures.
The findings on gold in this country show that we actually have more gold probably than Tanzania as an individual country, Kenya and DRC. Yes. And soon I'll show you those findings. There is no doubt. Like I say, where you see alluvial gold, we have gold in Uweju, we have gold in Kanungu, we have gold in Chigezi, the Roa Kigezi, we have gold in Mubende, we have gold in Busia and East, we have a lot of gold in Karamoja. Literally, every part of Uganda has gold, but we have been mining alluvial gold. So we need to invest, like we're investing in oil and gas, in mining 2 kilometers. Wherever you see alluvial gold, down is the big rock.
Despite the presence of the Mining and Minerals Act, observers think that there's a need for proper systems to streamline dealings with players in a market that is characterized by serious fraud.
So the challenge I see is how you manage to buy. Who do you buy from? Where is that framework that you have to buy this gold? Is there an association of traders of gold? Because many of them are freelance. At least I've never heard of a gold traders association of some sort. So that is going to be a tall order.
There are high hopes that this move will help boost Uganda's economy and, of course, dollar reserves, which have slowed due to rising external debt repayments. Last year, Uganda earned $2.3 billion from gold exports, up from $201 million the previous year. Malcolm Sime, NTV Tonight, Business.